Hello everyone, welcome to Teachers Education Corner channel. Today in this video, we will discuss Nishtha 3.0 FLN course 4th Involvement of Parents and Communities for FLN, all 40 quiz question and answers. Before starting the video, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you will receive all upcoming course answers video notification. Now let's see all the quiz answers. First question is, demonstrating and doing together art activities with locally available no-cost material at home is an. Correct answer is engaging activity. Next question, parents can find locally available toys and materials which are not harmful for their child, and correct answer is make them learn in their own exploratory way. Next question, which of the following methods should be used to educate parents to support children's learning? Correct answer is keeping formal and informal interactions open to the convenience of parents. Next question, which of the following is not an activity to promote foundational numeracy by the parents at home? The correct answer is tracing along the ladder. Next question is, there are many ways to develop stronger bond between schools and families. Which of the following is most required for this purpose? Correct answer is there is a continuous communication between both on all the aspects of children's learning and development. Next question, what is the main reason for divide between parents' expectations and their actual support for the education of children? The correct answer is parents and teachers are not properly oriented on the development of meaningful partnerships. Next question, why the involvement of community is beneficial for the school and children? Correct answer is community has multiple resources, physical, financial and human, which can be helpful for schools and the children. Next question, when schools are friendly and welcoming to family members, it is easier to. Correct answer is craft successful partnership programs. Next question, lack of communication skills and methods on both the sides, parents and school, is one of the major reasons for. The correct answer is low response of parents and community. Next question, which of the following is correct for motivating children towards foundational literacy at home? Correct answer is shared reading. Next question, why is support from parents required at the foundational stage for enhancing FLN skills? Correct answer is support from home is crucial as children spend out most of the school time at home. Next question is, the stimulating learning environment at home can be created by providing. The correct answer is magazines, storybooks, toys, manipulatives and rich interaction. Next question, which of the following is a good practice by the teacher to send regular update to parents? The correct answer is diary note. Next question, the Lakshya or the target for foundational literacy and numeracy have been stated in 4 areas. The correct answer is oral language, reading, writing and numeracy. Next question, foundational language and literacy skills relate to. The correct answer is children's skills related to language, expression, communication, etc. Next question, what is the primary reason to advocate for collaboration between schools and families? The correct answer is such collaboration facilitates children's learning at school and home. Next question, making home environment print rich helps parents and families in strengthening the child's. The correct answer is foundational literacy skills. Next question, attending PTMs regularly help parents to know about children's progress in. Correct answer is in all development areas. Next question, parents and community members should be involved in the preschool program through. The correct answer is regular communication, workshops, PTMs and parents conferences. Next question, creating a FLN resource center in the classroom school for the parents' families will help parents to. Correct answer is borrow relevant books materials to support children's learning. Next question, what is important for families to know if they want to support their learning in FLN? The correct answer is learning outcomes for every stage. Next question. Providing developmentally appropriate toys games to children at the foundational stage gives them chances to practice new skills in. Correct answer is movement, creativity, thinking and interaction. Next question. When parents involve children in making low cost toys, it helps in the development of. Correct answer is not only creative skills but children also get a sense of proportions and background on spatial and shape concepts. Next question. The FLN can be enhanced by. Correct answer is involving and educating parents in FLN activities. Next question is, which of the following activity has been suggested in the mission guidelines for engaging parents? The correct answer is sharing of assessment results. Next question. What are the modes to organize advocacy programs for community? The correct answer is media resources, folk songs, street plays, puppet shows. Next question. Parents individually or as a group can set up appropriate activities contextual to a. Correct answer is child's surroundings and experiences. Next question. Which of the following is a reason for low response of parents and community in FLN? Correct answer is lack of communication skills and methods on both the sides. Next question. During the PTM, when the teacher talks about the child's holding the book upside down, the teacher is talking to parents about the child progress in. The correct answer is book handling and foundational literacy. Next question. How can the parents, guardians be assisted in providing homeschooling to children with disabilities? The correct answer is resource centers working in conjunction with special educators for homeschooling. Next question. Teacher is following a good communication practice if the teacher. Correct answer is acknowledges the note from the parent and adds on comments to facilitate further communication. Next question. Parents can sing along with their children and encourage them to identify the. Correct answer is rhyming words in a poem song. Next question. Parents should be made aware of the learning outcomes identified for. Correct answer is different class levels. Next question. Communities and parents should be made aware of the learning levels of children to. Correct answer is achieve better learning outcomes. Next question. Parents can create print and numeracy rich environment by labeling different parts of the house like. Correct answer is room, kitchen, school bag, toilet, door, etc. Next question. Parents' involvement is critical at the foundational stage and it comprises of children in the age group of. The correct answer is 3 to 8 years. Next question. Involving parents in the education of their child will. Correct answer is be one important element in the learning and growth of children. Next question. Regular sustained communication with parents and motivating them is important too. Correct answer is involve parents and families for FLN. Next question. Which of the following activities can parents do to enhance children's story awareness? The correct answer is read aloud. Next question. Asking parents, community to collect and bring in trashables and recycled materials will help to. The correct answer is create relevant, safe, creative toys games for FLN activities. Now you can answer any 20 questions correctly which will be asked from these 40 question set and score 20 marks out of 20. So that's all in today's video. Please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Jai Hind.